Hey there. In today's lesson, we're expanding the GCD logic to work with more than two numbers. We'll use the Euclidean algorithm in a loop to handle arrays of any length. Let's walk through how it's done in JavaScript. Instead of just two numbers, we now want the GCD of an entire array. The solution? We reuse the two number GCD function, and loop the array, reducing it one pair at a time. We begin by checking if the input is a valid array. We use the first value as a starting point, then loop through each element, reducing with our GCD two number helper. This helps the use this helper uses the Euclidean method just like before. The logic flows like this. Start with the first number, compare it with the next using GCD, and continue that pattern until you finish the array. This makes the function scale easily to any size list. Let's test it. In 3, 15, and 27, all numbers share 3 as the largest common factor. In 5, 10, 15, 25, that value is 5. These results confirm our logic is solid. Why does this matter? From simplifying ratios to optimizing data and even handling distributed systems, the GCD plays a crucial role, especially when you're working with multiple values that need alignment. To wrap it up, we've extended the GCD logic to arrays. We loop through values using a reduction pattern and reuse our original two-number GCD function. It's simple, powerful, and highly reusable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.